Hey people, it's me Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So I thought that it would be fun to do productive stuff today. So as you can see in the title below, we're gonna be doing an outfit transformations or thrift flip or what we call this, upcycling projects. So to be honest, I don't really know where to start, but just to equate you guys that this video doesn't involve any
sewing machine,
because I know that not everyone have or can afford to have either eye. So we're gonna be using
in sewing kit.
so much of that. Let's get started. So first is this blazer, or I don't know what to call this thing, but yeah, ginat-iron niya siya sa likod. But anytime ka pwede mo hukuan ani. So we're gonna do our best to transform this into a cutter.
The first thing that I did was to fold it twice, and the tail portion is underlaying in the first fold so that I will be sewing a one straight line only. So now you can see that I'm done doing the both sides, and now I'm linking them together and sewing them.
So finally,
So the first thing that I did was to get a ruler and some safety pin to pin the dress. I use safety pins for markings because I don't have a chalk for clothes, and then I get a scissor and cut it. Remember to cut it straight, but for my case, it's not straight, so let's do this. And ta-da! Save the bottom part of the dress for later use.
and I made a mistake. Gamay na kayo siya. This is too short, and I want this to have something like that. So,
So as you can see, I'm measuring the length of this strap that I want, and I hope this worked. And it measured 15 inches.
hey people, good evening. So just a quick update that those clips that you have seen a while ago was taken a month ago because gitapon inyong tinog mga thrift flip or transformation nga. Kapit kayo magtahi-tahi nga. Kinamot lang. It's currently 8:21 p.m. It's July 21. It's Tuesday. And I'm in my PJs na. And wala lang, sinipag yung auntie niyo. Gusto mag-thrift flip. So, ato na himuon. Ato na tiwason para ma-upload na yung video. So, let's get started!
So the first thing that I did was to get my favorite crop top and overlay it in the shirt, then put a marking of the length of the crop top. Then cut it. Put aside the excess fabric. Fold a 1/4 inch, but first you need to turn inside out. Put safety or sewing pins and sew a straight stitch. If the fabric of your shirt is so stretchy, it will gonna be look like a lettuce hem. Just pull the thread if you want an intact or super lettuce hem look. But for my case, I just want some loose lettuce hem look. Also, you can put elastic or garter if you want a stretchier look. Just an update, it's currently 9:22 and I just finished hemming the back portion. And now let's start hemming the front portion. Flip the shirt and arrange the lettuce hems. For the casing of the string, measure the neckline down the bottom of the shirt. It measured 12 inches, so measure also 12 inches on the excess fabric. And cut it. Once again, turn inside out. Put the excess fabric in the middle of your shirt. Put the sewing pin in the middle of the excess fabric to remind you that it is the center. Sew along the middle and the both sides. In my case, I sew the middle first. Just a quick update, it's currently 10:35 and I just finished the middle portion. In this part of the clip, I'm currently sewing the sides. I just finished sewing the casing of the string and it's currently 11:22 and I'm whispering here in the video because the people here are fast asleep and I'm the only one who's wide awake for this thrift flip. To make a string, get the excess fabric and measure 1 inch wide by 24 inches long. It's 24 inches long because I use all the excess fabric left so that it will be easier for me. And then cut it. Fold the string in half and safety pin the string and insert it to the casing. It's optional if you sew along the edge of the string, but for my case, I didn't sew it because I'm lazy to do it.